Door-to-door versus ramp-to-ramp intermodal. When shippers consider intermodal transportation, they may think their options are limited by where freight trains can go, i.e. tracks and rail yards. However, while ramp-to-ramp intermodal is certainly an option, door-to-door intermodal is a straightforward way to get freight straight to a customer. What is door-to-door intermodal? Door-to-door intermodal involves a movement of a load from the customer's door all the way through delivery to the receiver's door. Both are technically loading docks, but door-to-door has a better ring to it. This type of intermodal move is also often referred to as TRT, as in truck, rail, truck, as this combination is how door-to-door intermodal is accomplished. As you may guess, because of its direct nature, door-to-door is the intermodal service most in demand by shippers. What is ramp-to-ramp intermodal? Ramp-to-ramp intermodal is a movement of a load from the intermodal ramp closest to the shipper to the intermodal ramp closest to the receiver, with the shipper or receiver responsible for getting the load to and from the ramp. A ramp, by the way, refers to an intermodal terminal where a freight train can be loaded or unloaded. Variations. There are also two other intermodal origin and destination pairs: door-to-ramp, meaning direct from the shipper to a ramp near the receiver, or ramp-to-door, meaning the shipper gets the load to the ramp nearest it, but the load is delivered directly to the receiver's door. How do intermodal loads get to and from the ramp? One word: drayage. Drayage refers to the movement of a container or trailer to or from the intermodal terminal. This is accomplished by a dray, usually a chassis truck, though a semi-truck can bring a trailer similarly. What is the most effective distance between an intermodal ramp and the origin or destination? The best drayage distance is generally thought to be 50 miles or less between the origin or destination and the ramp, though in some cases upwards of 100 miles can still make sense. At Intech Freight and Logistics, we have years of intermodal experience and relationships with all Class 1 railroads. In other words, we can set you up with door-to-door, ramp-to-ramp, or whatever combo intermodal delivery you'd prefer. Just give us a call at 317-208-5565 or visit our website, www.intechfreight-logistics.com, and hit the Request a Quote button. Please do give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to this channel to get future videos first. Thanks very much for watching.